Maintaining a legacy Visual FoxPro application and working with SCX form files. This is a form file from Microsoft Visual FoxPro used for application user interfaces. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to work with these forms. The fastest way to confirm a file's state is with a dedicated file reader. It's better at handling SCX files with integrity issues than most dedicated programs. A database table file that stores the layout, controls, and code for a form or a class in a Microsoft Visual FoxPro application. Developers interact with SCX files to design and manage the user interface components of their database programs, defining how end users will view and interact with data. An SCX file is actually a FoxPro database table, DBF, with a specific predefined structure. It contains records that define each object on the form, its properties, methods, and event code. This table-based design allowed developers to programmatically manipulate forms as data, a powerful feature of the environment. The SCX file originated with and is formally handled by Microsoft Visual FoxPro, developed by Microsoft Corporation. Windows cannot natively resolve the external dependencies of this proprietary file. Windows does not natively run scripting languages, so execution requires external programs. To resolve the incompatible file format error, right-click the SCX file and choose Open With. Prioritize Microsoft Visual FoxPro if available. If absent, choose another application. We are searching for the correct file link. If the SCX file won't open, don't panic. The source is most likely one of 3 common issues. Let's review this simple breakdown of the culprits and how to quickly check them. First, opening in Visual FoxPro. Launch Microsoft Visual FoxPro 9.0 or earlier, and use File then Open to load the SCX file. The form designer displays the form layout and properties allowing visual editing of controls events, methods, and data bindings. Next, modifying the form. Use the form designer to add, modify, or remove controls including text boxes, grids, buttons, and labels. Edit form code through the code window and assign event handlers to controls to implement application logic and database interactions. Finally, running the form. Use form then run from the menu or press the run button to execute the form within the Visual FoxPro environment. The form opens with all data bindings active, allowing testing of behavior and validation of user interface logic before deployment. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.